Hello, my name is Henri, and on this video we are going to talk about some investing. And regarding the financial week of September 24th to September 28th, 2018. And we are going to look how did we do on our predictions regarding S&P 500 futures, Bitcoin futures, gold and crude oil. And we are going to, in general, look what were the major points for that week in the market. Welcome aboard! Okay, at first I would like to point out that this is not financial advice for you. I trust you to make your financial decisions on your own. And when it comes to years, decades, and even longer times, the more you focus on your own decision making, taking responsibility, especially taking responsibility of your own decisions, the better you will become. And I will also suggest that you will use experts and look for their advice, but make your decisions on your own and take your responsibility. Okay, let's go through this market September 24th to September 28th, 2018. The major point of this market was Wednesday, September 26th, when there was a Fed meeting and they were planning to raise the interest rates again. So there was lots of fear in the market. So I expected the S&P 500 futures to early week go down, and then it would go up, and then it would go down again to closer to 2,900. It got to 2,907, so very close. So why I predicted that this downturn would occur? Just because there's fear in the market. Usually before the event, before the Fed announcement for the higher interest rates happens, before that we have the fear phase in the market, so people act in the way like they act in fear, so market goes down. And usually after the decision there's a kind of relief in the market, so market then goes up. Well, this is just how market works. Okay, then I predicted that Bitcoin futures week would go down as well, like S&P 500, and it got down to 6,315 like predicted. And then I expected to rise closer to the $7,400 in the end of the week. Well, we got off from that target. We got the last highs, 6,790. So we got the direction right, but the value was not there yet. How about crude oil though? Crude oil, I predicted that 67.5 to 68.5 was the target level where the crude oil should go down. It actually didn't got there. It got down very slightly. $71.68 was the early week drop. Then after that I predicted that it would go up to $70. Well, it got way above $73. So there was a very strong market in the crude oil. How about gold then? Early week prediction was that the market would go down and rise, first go down and then rise closer to the $1,216. It got down $1,198 and then to 1,208. So the direction was correct there as well. Then I predicted that after that it would go down to 1,990, between 9,990 and 1,995. So we got there, so that was correct. Okay, the Fed decision affected all the markets, and it's kind of puzzling because Markets are harmonious to each other, and many times we think that, let's say, the Bitcoin market does nothing to do with S&P 500 and gold has nothing to do with crypto markets, and crypto markets have nothing to do with crude oil. Well, they are in harmony, and it's many times nice to see how this harmony plays out. And this Fed decision was crucial for this market, especially the fear element, the element of fear that caused market to go down. Before the decision, that is quite good to remember that before the important decisions there's more fear, and when the decision is made there's less fear and there's kind of relief. We're human, we have to understand markets. In the markets there are a bunch of humans making decisions in a group, and if you remember that one thing, that group decision in the market, what happens when the group decision is made, before and after, then you are very well equipped for the markets. Okay, hope you had fun, hope you learned some new things on this video, hope you like it. If you have some questions, you can contact me on LinkedIn, on Google+, Twitter, and on Facebook, MonsterArtz Facebook page, and opilakia.fi. Thanks for watching, we'll see you in the next video. Bye. Do you feel the same?